How to install a 3-wire plug to your dryer. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Installing a 3-wire plug for your dryer. Disconnect power before servicing. First, using a 5/16" nut driver, remove the terminal block cover on the back of the dryer. Insert the cord strain relief, one side up and one side down. Then, using a crosshead screwdriver, screw the strain relief together, leaving a gap for the cord to pass through. Insert the cord through the strain relief, then tighten down the strain relief. Using a 1/4" nut driver, attach the center wire to the center of the terminal block. Next, attach the 2 outside wires to the left and right side of the terminal block. It doesn't matter which side of the block they're on. Reattach the terminal block cover using the 5/16" nut driver.